Welcome to Biology Online Lesson, organized by Mr. J. Bulajan Wojo David for high school classes.
Today we shall be looking at the topic, respiration.
The following are the content of the lesson.
1. Gaseous exchange, external respiration. 2. Glycolysis. 3. Aerobic respiration, Krebs cycle. 4. Anaerobic respiration, lactic acid formation. 5. Difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. 6. Role of enzyme in cellular respiration.
What is respiration? Respiration is the chemical process by which organic compounds release energy. The compounds change into different ones by exergonic reactions. There are two types of respiration: aerobic, which requires oxygen and releases lots of energy, and anaerobic, which does not require oxygen, but releases much less energy per mole of starting material.
External respiration is the exchange of gases with the external environment, and occurs in the alveoli of the lungs. Internal respiration is the exchange of gases with the internal environment, and occurs in the tissues. The actual exchange of gases occurs due to simple diffusion. External respiration is the formal term for gas exchange. Pulmonary gas exchange takes place in the lungs between the alveoli and the blood. It is also referred to as external respiration as it involves the respiratory processes that have contact with the external environment. The process of pulmonary gas exchange removes carbon dioxide from the blood and replenishes it with oxygen supply.
Aerobic respiration occurs in 3 stages, where a glucose molecule is the source of energy. The first stage is called glycolysis and does not require oxygen. The second stage is called the Krebs cycle. This cycle consists of a series of complex chemical reactions that generate additional NAD. The final stage is called electron transport phosphorylation. During this stage, NAD and another transporter molecule called FADH2 carry electrons to the cells. Energy from the electrons is converted to ATP.
During glycolysis, glucose molecules, 6 carbon molecules, are split into 2 pyruvates, 3 carbon molecules, during a sequence of enzyme-controlled reactions. This occurs in both aerobic and anaerobic respiration. During phosphorylation, glucose is converted into glucose 6-phosphate using energy and phosphate groups from ATP. This is converted to fructose 1,6-phosphate, again using ATP as a source of energy and phosphate groups. ATP is hydrolyzed to ADP plus phosphoric acid, pi.
The chemistry of Krebs cycle. This is a complicated cycle. It may be summarized. Citrate, a 6-carbon molecule, forms when an acetyl-CoA molecule combines with oxaloacetate, a 4-carbon atom molecule, in a condensation reaction. The citrate then undergoes a sequence of redox reactions: 2 decarboxylations, oxidation, removal of carbon dioxide. In each case, NAD+ is reduced to NAD2 dehydrogenations, removal of hydrogen. The overall reaction is 2 acetyl-CoA plus 6 NAD plus 2 FAD plus 2 ADP plus 2 H3PO4 4 CO2 plus 6 NAD plus 6 H plus 2 FADH2 plus 2 ATP.
Anaerobic respiration in humans may be summarized by the word equation: glucose lactic acid plus energy. In yeast, anaerobic respiration may be summarized by glucose ethanol plus carbon dioxide plus energy. Anaerobic respiration in humans takes place when muscle undergoes extreme contraction as in vigorous exercise. When oxygen is limited, the oxidation of NAD to NAD+ by the electron transport chain is insufficient to maintain glycolysis. Under these conditions, NAD+ is regenerated by the reduction of pyruvate to lactate. In yeast, pyruvate is converted to ethanol and then to ethanol. The latter stage oxidizes NAD to NAD+, allowing glycolysis to continue.
Cellular respiration is the process by which cells convert glucose, a sugar, into carbon dioxide and water. In the process, energy in the form of a molecule called adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, is released. Because oxygen is required to power this reaction, cellular respiration is also considered a type of burning reaction where an organic molecule, glucose, is oxidized, or burned, releasing energy in the process. Enzymes are proteins that catalyze, or affect the rate, of chemical reactions without themselves being altered in the process. Specific enzymes catalyze each cellular reaction. The main role of enzymes during the respiration reaction is to assist in transferring electrons from one molecule to another. These transfers are called redox reactions, where the loss of electrons from one molecule, oxidation, must coincide with the addition of electrons to another substance, reduction.
Let's evaluate our viewers. 1. Define respiration. 2. State the two types of respiration. 3. Pulmonary gaseous exchange takes place in the 4. List the 3 stages in which aerobic respiration occurs. 5. The end product of anaerobic respiration is